To make a double crochet in the round, what we're going to do is we're going to go from either our magic ring, or we can have our chain that we slip stitch to create a ring. And what we're going to do here is we're going to go chain 3, so 1, 2, 3, then we're going to yarn over into our circle there, our round, and then pull through a loop. We've got 3 on the hook, then we're going to pull through 2 of those loops, then we're going to pull our yarn through the remaining 2, and we've got our first double crochet. Now the chain 3 will also count you know typically as a chain, as a double crochet as well when we're counting, depending on which patterns we're using, but that's a really good one to remember, just to remember if we're counting it or if we're not. Okay, so let's do some more. Oops. And if you make a mistake like me, just start again. So yarn over into the ring that we've created there, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, yarn over into the ring, pull through 2, pull through, and then pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Okay, so I'm going to slip stitch into the chain here where we began, pull through and pull through again. And there we have, we've got a round worked there of double crochets. Thank you for choosing to create with me.